Hey everybody, welcome back. Glad you came. Got something not new, but we got something different for this channel. Not really, it's chainsaw stuff. For now, it's chainsaw stuff. So first off, I'd like to welcome any new subscribers. I think I just got Tasman. I think Tasman just subscribed to my channel. That's cool. That is cool. That is an honor. Kenny, welcome. But Tasman's no more important than anybody else. I appreciate everybody that takes the time to watch a couple of my funny little videos here. Just gonna let the channel grow naturally, or not. I guess that'd be natural. It's gonna do what it's gonna do. Don't usually wear my hat in rally style, you know, in rally cap, but the lights in here, I was looking and I'm ugly enough. I don't need bad shadowing on my face. So yeah, here we go. We're in rally cap mode. Probably a good idea because I'm gonna do something I've not done before. I've tried working on little carburetors. They're little carburetors are. Everybody says they're super simple. I just don't have good luck with them. There's this thing called YouTube. I got on there and looked up some videos on, tillets and carburetors, because that's what we're gonna rebuild today. We'll see what happens. It's I can't hurt it. The saw runs, but it's got some issues. So we'll see where we end up. Yeah. That's a monster, guys. Yeah, and it does. We got a few things going on. We're going to start with a carb build because I got the carburetor kit and we're going to do it. I hope it's the right one. I'm looking at it right now and it's not the exact numbers that I told the guy, but I don't know. That may just be the number of the kit. I don't know. We're going to find out. We're going to take this thing apart. Hopefully we get it back together and we still have a saw that runs. So hey, let's get us fired up. Let's do it. Let's just do it. Sorry for yelling. It's been a day at work. I haven't ever told most of you guys. Well, I haven't told any of you guys probably because we're not close personal friends yet. And I say yet because we're all going to meet someday at Buck and Stock. Hopefully this year. I hear maybe Indiana. Got my fingers crossed, and I'm already looking for tickets somewhere in Indiana. But I work for a construction company, a concrete ready-mix company. We work for the government, for the naval reactor facilities here in Idaho. There's your nuclear subs. All that technology started in the middle of the desert out here way back. And it continues to grow. It's really cool, but it's a tedious job. Working with the government and different contractors. Today was a day we sat and sat and sat and sat for like 10 hours. We didn't pour much concrete. We're getting paid to do it, but at the same time, there's wood out there to be cut and split. There's chainsaws to work on. There's all sorts of things that I want to be doing and putting on the channel for you people. And boy, I tell you what, it's hard. It's really hard. So if I vent a little bit tonight, lose my mind for a second, that's probably why. And we have to work tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday. We don't work Saturdays. We have worked very many. I started there in April of last year and I probably worked 2 Saturdays. No, we're working one tomorrow, so frustrating. I'm gonna try to bang this out tonight. If it may turn into a 2-parter. I don't want to bore you guys. That last video we threw up was 40 minutes. That's a lot of video for my channel right now. I don't know if I can hold your attention that long. It's that's bucking length videos there. Bucking can take your attention and grab it and keep it. I don't know that I can do that. So it is a Homelite 2000 automatic. It's 115cc saw. And I think it's been used once or twice. I'm not sure. Looks a little bit like it. It's got a Tillotson carburetor. It's an HL 261 Alpha. You know, I work for the Navy government people. I know how to do that alphabet thing. Not really. But they do it out there and it makes me giggle. These old civilian guys that think they're all being cool because they know how to say Alpha, Tango, November, Foxtrot. Yeah, right, whatever. So the kit is an RK88 HL, and I hope that just means it's a rebuild kit for an HL. We'll see. I'm seeing some of the stuff I saw in the video. And it's got a little tiniest thing right there, a little clip that's got to come out. Hey, my bucket of tools is missing the tools I need right now. Where'd they go? I'll find them. There's one of them. Mama stole it, had it clear across the room. I don't know what she's thinking. Stealing my dang tools. Wow, that is the tiniest little cotter pin I've ever seen. It's most likely going to be in a couple pieces when we're done. It's tiny. Oop. By darn, I got it out and I didn't even know it. Woo! Yeah, she broke. That's just a wire somebody's bent, maybe. No, it might have been a cotter pin. Can you guys see that? My goodness. Tiny. Let's see. Hopefully, I don't swear you guys against me when I take this off. I'm going to. There we go. Again, so feel like just run out. Oh, man, it ain't that close. Not even close. Oh, yeah. It's all right. This stuff's getting replaced, by the way. I knew this wasn't the right stuff. But being the patient man I am, I bought just regular old vinyl tubing, not gas line, so that I could just see if the dang thing was going to run. So, yeah, that's going to get replaced. I had Mama buy some new fuel line for it, and I told them the wrong size, so I still got to get more fuel line for it. Switch it. Maybe switch it. Put it in that. Look at that into this. That's gonna come out because you did it. So it looks like all we got to do is take these two. Get these off. Now you know you got a good size saw when the carburetor's this big. My goodness. They put these on snow machines. These Tillotson carbs. Probably not this one, but I mean real similar looking. Toledo, what was that? What just dropped? Cool. I'll turn you guys off, get this saw out of the way, and we'll reposition the camera and we'll take a look at the inside of this. I definitely want to film this so that when I forget how it came apart, I have something to look back on. All right, we're back. This will be the first time I've tried to film doing something like this up close, so hopefully I keep you guys in frame. If not, give me a yell and I'll try to get you back in frame. Here's the heartbeat of America right here. I know there's a diaphragm and pump and all sorts of stuff. Toledo, Ohio, huh? I don't know where that is in accordance to Marshville, Ohio, but I'm sure you guys have probably heard of that Killinger character that sells axe handles. That's where he's at. Boy, I'll tell you what, those are some nice handles. Super nice handles. Watch this. There's some 19-inch boys axe handles. I got a box of double bit 32-inch double bit handles in there. They're nice, boy. I'll tell you what. Nice, and a good guy. That Christopher Killinger is a good dude. He's just good people. Don't need to say much more than that. Gasket. Future self. The gasket went on top of the diaphragm. The diaphragm goes on, then the gasket. I think we can remember that. Now we got this, we'll pop him up. Well, we might have the right kit, we'll see. So I think they call that a Welch plug. Right there would be a Welch plug. We'll have to drill that a little bit, pop it out. We're not drilling that turkey out. There's our needle seat. Valve, all that seems to be working good. Looks like it's in good shape. See, this one's got that little horseshoe on it. This one's just flat. I'm told that makes them better. I'll just believe it because that's what I got, so it's got to be better, right? There's our needle. We'll put all that back in the bag. Okay, we're back. It was a 5/16. I thought that's what it was, and none of those had fit in there. This guy had already been ground on once. Well, he got ground on some more. He's not super even, but that doesn't matter. He goes down in that hole where he needs to go. Well, I don't have one of those screwdrivers just kicking around right now that will accept that. Guess I should look. This will work. Lineman's pliers, they work for everything, right? Told you. We'll see. Still not convinced I got the right one, but. Now underneath here is a jet. And to get to that jet, we got to drill that out. Are we to that point? I think we are. And I think that all looks like it's going to work, so I think we're all right there. That new needle goes dropping in there. This guy hooks on there. We're going to have our, that's sticking up there a ways, guys. That well, I guess what we do is we bend this up after we get it all assembled, because that's got to sit flat in there. Boy, that just doesn't seem right. I just don't see that being able to go together like that. And it's just so long. Maybe I got to screw that guy in there some more too. I didn't really reef on it. And we got the old one. So look at the difference in length. Get them up there where you can see them. That's not going to work. I may not be a carburetor guy, but I know that's darn near a 1/4 inch difference. So, I think we're done for tonight, folks. Can't put it back together with the wrong kit. So, we got dirty, we got into it. Now we know what we got. I don't think the guy's open on Saturdays, so this video may get finished next week. We'll see. If I don't tell you when it is, you won't know what week it was anyway. So, hey, we got a visitor. Well, we'll see what we end up with, guys. Thanks for watching. Maybe we'll post this up and then we'll do part 2 when we get the right kit. Love y'all. Take care.